Hello everybody. We are going to talk today about why interworking among network is key to securing the transition to 5G and beyond. I am Óscar Pérez, CTO at Summa Networks. The 5G promise. When 5G appeared a couple of years ago, we were promised with higher bandwidth, lower latencies, superior security, new possibilities for VR experience, driverless cars, medical advance, 10 times faster speeds than in 4G, different levels of service for different needs, what we call slicing, for carriers, simplified network operations, big degree of automation, simple technological base, the perfect world. But some hurdles appear. Big investment in new radio and core is needed by operators. Dubious return of investment as customers may not pay more for only an increase of speed. Risk of value going to over-the-top players. Change skill set due to the technological shift into cloud technologies. Need for new 5G compatible devices, SIM cards in consumers. Some 5G cases like IoT, mobile broadband already supported in 4G needs to be migrated into 5G. If we talk about 4G versus 5G technological overview, we see that 4G technology already enjoys widespread adoption and infrastructure all over the world. Also, 4G wavelengths have a range of about 10-12 kilometers and can support about 100 megabytes that could go up to 1 gigabyte if we use 5G NSA, what we call 4G on asteroids. If we see 5G, 5G has a theoretical speed of 20 gigabytes, more than 100 times its predecessor, 4G. The 5G latency is expected to go as low as single millisecond, and 5G wavelengths have a range of about 300 meters compared with the 10-12 kilometers of 4G. So there are tech hurdles too. 5G needs a deployment of a huge amount of short-range antennas to cover the same coverage that 4G antennas were giving us. There will be a patchy coverage of 5G standalone while all antennas are being deployed. So we will need to be jump between 5G and 4G. Synchronized with new core deployment and the install base of devices is also needed. So does it not sound like a perfect storm? It will be a long transition, as we have said, big investment, dubious return of investment, risk of going over the top players, change of skill sets due to new technological shift, need for new 5G compatible devices and SIMs in customers. Interworking is the key word here. Near future will see a coexistence between the 4G and 5G technologies. As coverage evolves, customers will constantly switching between network technologies. They will need to go between 4G, 5G, 3G, 2G, depending on where the user is located. Carriers need cross-technology solutions that allow this interworking in a reliable and cost-effective way. And keep an eye on the long term. 6G is approaching, so we are going to need these cross-technology solutions between 6G, 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G. Thank you very much for your attention.